Lifelong companion, I give myself to you. God has enabled me to walk with you faithfully. I cherish the treasure of you. This secret vow I made to you does not contain that air. Though I'm aware that trials lies ahead, I will love you and pray with you, and through it all I will stay with you. Our home will be a refuge of unconditional love. I cherish the treasure in you. Lifelong companion, I give myself to you. God has enabled me to walk with you faithfully. I cherish the treasure of you. I cherish the treasure of you. God has enabled me to walk with you faithfully. I cherish the treasure of you. I love you.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, Gigi
What a beautiful song, huh? Nah? Asa kami, ano? Wah! Wah!
Among bisita.
Wah!
Si Mara.
Hi!
Si Mira na, oy.
Mara na uy.
Oh, Mara. Inang Liling.
Ako tawagan niya.
Ever faithful.
Naksiyo na lang napos nili dili.
Oh, ikaw bayad. Nabot na daw si Nini Kamay. Mga bata, way kalibutan nga anniversary sa ilang mami daddy.
Mamay sa tulo.
Na, mo mabisita Grace sa likod. Hi. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary, Ten. Yung kuya Wendell. Wala ko yung mo. Thank you.
May puli nga, patagay siya tihana pag singa ko, nagkapatay, puli. Mawalo?
Atiana.
Sige, magpalitan. Hinangan na bisig. Palitin lang na. Tulungan para makaduwa ang mga bata.